So if you start zooming in from an actual cell, you'll see that we go from cells to organelles, to molecules, to atoms. And it's your molecules and atoms that are the chemical components, while your cells and organelles are your cellular components, as you probably guessed by the names. And if we cover what an atom is actually made up of, it's made up of protons, electrons and neutrons. At your centre, it's always positive because it's made up of protons and neutrons. Your protons have a positive charge if you think P for positive, and your neutrons are neutral, so think neutral for neutron. So that means altogether the centre is a plus charge. And then your electrons have a negative charge and they're orbiting round in orbitals and shells. The defining feature of an element is the number of protons it has, which is also the atomic number. So for example, with carbon, it has the atomic number 6, which means it has 6 protons. A lot of atoms actually have an unstable electron configuration, so like the outer shells aren't full. So one thing that they can do to sort of fix this and become more stable is to form covalent bonds. This is where they share electrons. An ionic bond is where the electrons are taken from another atom. There's a little meme that I always remember to remember this, and I'll put it here now, so hopefully that'll help you. Example of some stable atoms because of the full outer electron shells are your noble gases. So for example here we have neon and helium. Another key thing that you sort of have to remember about when these elements react together to form stable electron configurations, it's that they're not always energetically favourable because energy may be required to actually form these bonds.